behavior among school-age children. It's crazy. 6 out of 10, 60% of the students across the United States witness bullying one time per day.
I need you to repeat after me. Bullying will not be tolerated. One more time. Bullying will not be tolerated.
A few years ago, we had a young man that had a dream. He had his eyes set on a goal. And you know as well as I do the temptations and the peer pressure that you get in school. I have seen so many people with the ability to be so great washed it away because they got on drugs and alcohol.
Friendship that lasts throughout our whole lifetimes. We're here to show that the United States of America is the greatest country in the world and that we are the future leaders of this country.